You want to build muscle, but you don't go to the gym, you don't have equipment, and honestly, you don't even know where to start. Perfect. This video is exactly for you. Most people quit before they even begin. Not because muscle building is hard, but because no one shows them the path. So today, I'll give you a clear roadmap. Follow it step by step. No confusion, no gym, no fancy stuff. Just your body, your home, and consistency. Let's start from zero. First, understand this one rule. Muscle grows when you do 3 things together. Train your muscles, eat enough food, rest and repeat. Miss one, progress stops. That's it. No secret exercises, no magic tricks. Remember this rule. Everything else fits inside it. Now, your home workout plan. You don't need gym machines, your body weight is enough. If you use it right, you will train 4 days per week. For example, Monday workout, Tuesday workout, Wednesday rest, Thursday workout, Friday workout, weekend rest. These are the only exercises you will do. Push-ups for chest, shoulders and triceps, squats for legs, pull-ups or towel rows for back, pike push-ups for shoulders, plank for core, that's it. No 20 exercises. Do 3 to 4 sets for each exercise, 8 to 15 reps. The last reps should feel hard. If it feels too easy, it's not working. Now listen carefully, this part is very important. This is where most beginners fail. You don't grow by doing the same thing forever. Every week, try only one thing, add 1 or 2 reps, or slow down the reps, or add 1 extra set. For example, week 1, 10 push-ups, week 2, 12 push-ups, week 3, 15 push-ups. Small progress equals real muscle. Track your reps, even in notes. Now, let's talk about food. You don't need supplements, you need enough food. The basic rule is simple. Eat 3 proper meals, add protein in every meal. Simple foods like eggs, milk or curd, dal, chana, rajma, rice, roti, potatoes, fruits and peanuts. If your body weight is not increasing slowly, you are under-eating. No food, no muscle. Now, rest. Training breaks muscle. Sleep builds muscle. If you sleep less than 7 hours or train every single day, your body won't grow. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Take rest days seriously. Recovery is not lazy, it's smart. Now, a reality check. In the first 2 to 3 weeks, strength increases, muscles feel tight. In 1 to 3 months, your body starts changing. Clothes fit better. In 6 months, people notice. Your confidence changes. If you stay consistent, you will grow. No doubt. Let's recap the roadmap. Train 4 days at home. Do basic bodyweight exercises. Progress every week. Eat more food. Sleep properly. Be patient. Follow this for 6 months. You won't recognize yourself. You don't need a gym to start. You need discipline. Start today. Your body will follow. Subscribe if you're serious.